Ha! Here's a quick joke to start. Why did the student bring a ladder to the maths class? Because they wanted to reach the highest grade. All right, let's dive into the median calculation. We have a week's worth of recorded temperatures: 12, 15, 14, 16, 14 and 15 degrees Celsius. The goal is to find the median temperature for the week. Remember, the median is simply the middle value when numbers are arranged in ascending order. If you need time to think, feel free to pause the video. Let's turn to the next slide. Now let's put these numbers in order from smallest to largest. That gives us 12, 13, 14, 14, 15, 15 and 16. Since there are 7 numbers in total, the middle one is the 4th number in the list. Counting through, we find that the 4th value is 14 degrees Celsius. So the median temperature for the week is 14 degrees Celsius. Let's turn to the next slide. To summarize, the median is the middle value in an ordered list. If there's an odd number of values, we take the exact middle one. If there's an even number of values, we take the 2 middle numbers, add them together, and divide by 2 to find the average. For example, if we had 8 temperatures, 12, 13, 14, 14, 15, 16 and 17, the 2 middle numbers would be 14 and 15. Adding them together gives 29, and dividing by 2 gives a median of 14.5 degrees Celsius. That's it. You've just mastered median calculations. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be a pro at finding averages. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more maths tips. See you next time.